pack an order for Teacher Faye. Hi everyone! Let's pack an order today. I received an order of 2 pieces macrame earrings from my Shopee store. And here's the earring what she ordered. 1 macrame pia dangle earring. And 1 macrame feather inspired dangle earring. So let's begin. Before I forgot, shout out to you Teacher Faye. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you like this earring. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified to my upcoming video. If you want to order some handmade earrings, just visit my FB page. You want to learn how to make this macrame earring? Just click this card showing on the right corner. The product is ready for pickup. So that's all for today, guys. See you next video. For more video, just click this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.